Today we are continuing from where we left yesterday. So number 5a reads, list the first three values of x such that x is greater than 1 but less than or equal to 4, where x is a natural number. So a natural number is a counting number, and this range that is represented here, he has got 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So if they say list the first three values of x, so the first three values of x would be 1, 2, and 3, because these are the counting numbers that appear from this inequality. Okay, so part B says express 270 as a product of its prime factors. So here we're going to write 270, and we are going to do the long division, starting with 2. Here that's 1, here that's 3, and here that's 5, and here is 3, here it's 4, and there it's 5. 3 into 45, that's 1, 5. 3 into 15, that's 5, and 5 into 5, that's 1. So 270 is going to be equal to 2 times 3 to the power 3 times 5. So you can write your answer in the answer space. And number 6, part A reads, if the bearing of P from X is 54, find the bearing of Q from P. So here I want you to take note. It says P from Q. So from, that's where the north line is going to be. So our north line here is going to be on Q. And they say the bearing of P from Q is 54 degrees. So now if they are saying find the bearing of Q from P, it means you're going to put a north line on P, and these two north lines are parallel lines, which means the angles inside, they are supposed to add up to 180. So you're going to say 180 minus 54, and here you're going to get sorry, here I'm not supposed to do this. Let me just take out this part. So I'm going to say 180 minus 54. Here you get 6, and here you add 1, and here you get 2, and here that's 126. So this angle is going to be 126 degrees. And when you are measuring the bearing, you start from the north line going clockwise. Like here we start from the north line going this way, and that's the same with what we do here. So to get your final answer, you're going to say 360 minus 126. Here you get 4, here you get 3, and here you get 2. So your bearing is going to be 234 degrees. 234 degrees. Okay, let's move on. 6, part B, it reads, calculate the number of sides of a regular polygon with interior angles of 162 degrees each. So here I'm just going to illustrate something. If I write like this, and here I have an interior angle that is equal to 162 degrees. Then I would need to find what the exterior angle is. So the exterior angle is going to be 180 minus 162, and here I'm going to get 8, here I'm going to get 1. So the exterior angle is equal to 18, and the sum of exterior angles of any polygon should add up to 360. So for me to find the number of sides, I have to divide 360 by 18. So 18 into 18, that's 1. 18 into 36, that's 2. 18 into 0, that's 0. So here you're going to get your answer is 20 sides. Number 7 reads, express 1 over x squared minus 1 minus 1 over 1 plus x as a single fraction in its simplest form. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to realize that this one is a difference of 2 squares. So the next stage from that one is going to be x plus 1 x minus 1, which is a difference of 2 squares. And this one you can rewrite it like this. You can just start by writing x because it's the same, both of them are positive. And then the next stage you are going to find the common denominator. So the common denominator here is going to be the difference of 2 squares, which is x plus 1 x minus 1. So x plus 1 x minus 1 into x plus 1 x minus 1 is equal to 1, and 1 times this 1, you're going to get 1. And here you're going to say x plus 1 into x plus 1 x minus 1. You are going to remain with x minus 1 because these two are going to cancel out. This x plus 1 is going to cancel out with this x plus 1. So this one you're going to multiply that one with minus 1. So you're going to say minus 1 here times x minus 1. The reason why I put this stage here like this and put this bracket is so that you won't forget that multiplication of a negative by a negative should give you a positive answer. So the next stage I'm going to write it here. I'm going to say 1 minus, that's minus 1 times x here, you get minus x minus here, you get positive 1 all over the difference of 2 squares, which is x plus 1 x minus 1. So the next stage you're going to say 1 plus 1, you get 2 minus x all over x plus 1 x minus 1. So that is your final answer. Okay, so we're going to end here today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next lesson.